How long do garage door springs last? If you have a broken or weakened spring, you should change them for safety reasons. A broken or weakened spring can suddenly snap while the door is in motion, and the result can be damage to your property or even cause injury. And you can't repair a garage door spring after it breaks. Your only option is to replace the springs if you want to maintain the effective operation and safety of the garage door. When the time comes to remove the old springs and install the replacements, we strongly recommend that you consult a trained garage door technician who will do the job with the correct tools and understand the safety and correct spring tensions involved. Value Garage and Roller Shutter Doors is a reliable, well-established company that offers a 24-hour service. Should you need assistance with your garage door repairs, our experienced, trained technicians will examine the safety aspects of your installation and correctly install what is required. Give us a call on 0662926226. We work in the Gauteng area. Don't hesitate, call now.